How to connect Instagram and Grindr. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can see this profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. Again, tap on this profile picture. So this will lead you to this editing page. Here on the bottom, tap on edit profile. Now slowly scroll down. So basically this is the section where you can customize and make different changes in your profile. Here there's a section called Instagram. Simply tap on Instagram. Now you must add your UID or Instagram ID here. So this will automatically connect it. Now you must verify it through Instagram app, and later both the app will be connected and even other people will be able to view your profile through it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.